Welcome to RV Road Report, your ultimate destination for exploring the most exciting, innovative, and adventure-ready RVs on the planet. Today, we're taking you on a detailed walk-around of something truly special, the Ford Super Duty F-450 Custom Motorhome. This beauty is dressed in an eye-catching vibrant yellow, a color that screams adventure before you even hit the road. Built on Ford's rugged long-body 4x4 platform, this beast isn't just for getting from point A to point B. It's about owning the road in style and comfort. Whether you're a weekend traveler, a full-time van lifer, or someone who just loves the freedom of the open road, this motorhome is here to impress. Let's start exploring every detail. Exterior, front view. Here it is, standing proud in Ford's official showroom, the Ford Super Duty F-450 Custom Motorhome. The front view alone tells you this is a powerhouse. That bold Ford logo takes center stage on a large chrome grille, flanked by sharp LED headlamps that deliver both style and powerful illumination. The vibrant yellow finish is not just paint, it's a statement. Rugged all-terrain 4x4 wheels are ready for mud, snow, sand, and asphalt alike. The front bumper is reinforced, giving this RV extra protection for long-haul adventures. With a hood line that's high and muscular, it promises raw power underneath. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile fortress on wheels. Topside view. From above, the smart design really stands out. This motorhome's roof is equipped with high-efficiency solar panels, ensuring that even when you're off-grid, your essential systems keep running. You'll also notice a roof-mounted satellite antenna for on-the-go connectivity, so you can stream, work, or stay in touch no matter where your journey takes you. The large, low-profile roof-mounted AC unit keeps the interiors cool, even in blazing summer heat. Every inch of the top surface has been optimized, from water drainage channels to sturdy mounting points for additional gear. This bird's-eye view makes it clear, the Ford F-450 motorhome is as functional as it is powerful. Backside view. Moving to the rear, functionality meets adventure. The back hosts a securely mounted spare tire, easily accessible for quick changes during remote travel. Alongside, you'll see a carefully fitted cycle carrier, perfect for bringing along mountain bikes or e-bikes for trails and campsite exploration. The rear LED brake lights are bright and energy efficient, ensuring maximum visibility in all conditions. A small rear ladder gives you access to the roof for cleaning, maintenance, or just a better view of your surroundings. The back view shows how well thought out this build is, giving you both utility and style. Side view. Now, here's something campers will love. The side profile reveals a retractable awning, creating a shaded tent area perfect for outdoor seating. Imagine pulling over by a lake, extending this awning, and relaxing in the fresh air. The side panels are fitted with large tinted windows for both privacy and scenic views from inside. Rugged side steps make getting in and out easy, while the long wheelbase ensures stability on the road. The vibrant yellow really pops from this angle, and paired with black trim, it gives the motorhome a sporty, adventurous vibe. Driving compartment. Step inside the driver's area, and you're greeted by Ford's ergonomic design. The captain's chairs are plush, adjustable, and wrapped in durable leatherette. The dashboard hosts two LED display screens, one dedicated to navigation and vehicle systems, the other providing a live feed from the rearview camera for safe reversing and monitoring your cargo or bikes. Cup holders, storage compartments, and charging ports are all within arm's reach. The steering wheel is multifunction, so you can control music, calls, and cruise settings without taking your eyes off the road. This is a cockpit designed for long-distance comfort and safety. Sitting and sleeping area. Just behind the driver's compartment, you'll find a flexible living space. The sofa is a comfortable L-shaped design that quickly converts into a spacious bed, making this area perfect for both daytime lounging and nighttime rest. Soft LED lighting creates a warm atmosphere, while overhead cabinets provide storage for clothes, bedding, and travel essentials. Large side windows flood the area with natural light during the day, and blackout blinds ensure a peaceful night's sleep. This space is the heart of the motorhome, cozy, practical, and inviting. Kitchen. The compact yet efficient kitchen is perfect for life on the road. It features a 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink, and a compact refrigerator. The countertop space is cleverly extended with a foldable side panel, giving you extra room when preparing meals. Storage drawers and shelves hold utensils, cookware, and dry goods. A small microwave is tucked neatly under the cabinets. The proximity to the sitting and sleeping area means you can cook and serve without missing the conversation. Washroom. Tucked into a clever corner, the washroom makes the most of the limited space. It includes a compact toilet, a small sink, and a shower unit with a sliding door. The waterproof walls and efficient drainage ensure easy cleaning. Ventilation is handled by a small roof vent fan, and there's a built-in water heater to ensure you can enjoy a hot shower no matter where you're parked. This compact bathroom is a big win for comfort during long trips. And that wraps up our full tour of the Ford Super Duty F-450 custom motorhome, vibrant yellow, rugged long body 4x4, fully loaded for adventure, and yours for just $66,000. It's the perfect combination of Ford's legendary durability and modern RV comfort. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself exploring the country in this beast? Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.